What is a Python standalone application? Ever pondered upon that? It's a software program that's designed to operate independently on a user's device. This means it doesn't call for an external server or internet connection. It's a type of desktop application that can be executed directly on a computer without leaning on web-based technologies or resources. To create a standalone Python application, you'll need to use tools like PyInstaller. This tool packages Python programs into standalone executables, a process we sometimes call freezing the script. The outcome, an executable that contains the Python interpreter and all the necessary modules. This means end users won't need to have Python installed on their systems to run the application. So, how does this process unfold? First, you'll need to install PyInstaller. You can do this by using pip, a package installer for Python. Just type in pip install PyInstaller. Once that's done, navigate to your program's directory. Next, run PyInstaller with your script. You can do this by typing PyInstaller yourprogram.py. Want a single file executable? Just add the F flag, so you'd type PyInstaller f yourprogram.py. The result is an executable in a subdirectory called dist. This you can distribute to users. They can then run it on their local machines without installing Python or any dependencies. The beauty of standalone applications is that they provide a simple, self-contained program that users can run without additional setup. They're commonly used for desktop software, mobile apps, gaming applications, industrial control systems, and even medical devices. So let's recap. A Python standalone application is a software program that runs independently on a user's device without needing an external server or internet connection. You create one by freezing your script using PyInstaller. This generates an executable that contains the Python interpreter and all necessary modules. The end users can then run this executable without having to install Python or any dependencies on their systems. This makes standalone applications a convenient user-friendly solution for a variety of software needs. That's all for today's video on Python standalone applications. We hope you found this tutorial informative and it has equipped you with the knowledge to create your own standalone applications using Python. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support enables us to continue creating high-quality educational content for our community, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we drop more tech tips and troubleshooting videos. In the comments section below, please share your thoughts about today's topic. Have you created a Python standalone application before? What was your experience like? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.